I ask everyone in Hurricane Dorian's path to heed all warnings and evacuation orders from local authorities. It looks like they're gonna have to be giving them, unfortunately, and I wish you'd watch. It's been lurking, it's just been building out there, it's been moving very slowly. It's a bad thing, not a good thing. The slower it moves, the bigger it is and the bigger it gets. But we want to minimize any unnecessary risk for the public, and our brave first responders have been working very hard with Governor DeSantis of Florida on getting fuel, getting gasoline brought in, because they've never seen anything like it, the rush to get so much. And again, the Coast Guard and the Army and the Marines have been incredible. We've gotten tremendous amounts of gasoline brought in very quickly.